Hey, how you doing? Working the Pigeon Man, talking to you about Superior Lofts. These are my little birds over here, hanging out. See what's going on. It's quarter after 6. About to throw some food up in here and see if they fly off or hang out. Birds right here. They're all chilling. They wait. They wait for you. This is not their regular feeding spot, but we're hanging out. You feel me? Yeah. Move this over a little bit. A little wet bath. And we'll throw some up there for those guys that don't want to come out right now. Yeah, these are my buddies right here. I'm disturbing them. Yeah, but this is Superior Lofts, hanging out with the birds. Let them hang out for the day. This is the 3rd time today I'm opening the gazebo, whatever you want to call it. But 3rd time today I'm opening it. 2nd time feeding them today. Not much. I gave them, I want to say I gave them 1 cupful. Not this side. I mean just a regular, like a half a cup of this right here. And I put that in through there for these guys to, so basically, if you think about it, they had 1 full cupful of feed today. And we do the golf weddings now, you know, with the black pigeons. Yes, indeed. But hang out with me. If you got any questions, answers, or anything you can tell me how I can improve anything, let me know. Let me know. Superior Lofts, right here. This is Pigeon Man, signing off. Thanks for watching. Yep, those are the birds right there. It's Pigeon Man. Superior Lofts, doing the thing. If y'all got any questions, answers, or anything like that y'all can help me out, hey, I'm always got my ears open. So tell me something. Like me, don't like me, subscribe to me, tell me something. You know, back in it again. It's been some years. I mean, when I first started, I was like 13 years of age. I'm 55 now. So, you know, I enjoy my birds. I have a few dubs in the house, but those are house birds. But I enjoy my birds. Yeah, but this is Superior Loft signing off.